Great interior space, rich and intelligent configuration, high quality, great performance and overwhelming power. This is the biggest challenge for Refine S7 in order to satisfy the different demands of its customers. From the first stage of Refine S7 design, we intended to conceive an SUV which could arouse the desire of driving. While inheriting the JSE family DNA, we achieved to emphasize the motion and the emotion of S7 design. The very distinctive S7 front grille, inspired by the traditional Chinese vase, gives a low-gravity feeling. The refined S7 body side, inspired by the flowing liquid metal, including its sharp character lines, demonstrate a very muscular presence and bold and powerful SUV. With a length of 4790 mm, a width of 1900, a height of 1760 and a wheelbase of 2750, the S7 exceeds the standard dimension of the compact SUV, which is currently the market mainstream. Despite of its large dimension and with a very low score of 0.346 CD, S7 got the best wind-drag coefficient of its category. Regarding refined S7 interior design, we focused on the real passenger comfort, but also on the unique driving experience and the visual pleasure. We provide 5 seats as a standard grid and an option with 7 seats. Therefore, this S7 interior provides a considerable variation of combination. Let's have a look at the trunk. S7 provides a huge cargo capacity of 1,358 liters when the rear seats are full, for metropolitans who are eager for nature. Refine S7 provides a full panoramic sunroof with a 2-controller, maximizing natural light rate. In order to fit the variation test of the different drivers, the driving information are displayed on a 12.3 inches car meter LCD screen, which provides 3 optional themes, such as classic, fashion, and digital. Refine S7 has been equipped with an active driving security enhanced by intelligent devices. The 14 ESC system functions are integrated to ensure stability of driving in various road conditions, such as icy and snowy, steep slope, curve, etc. The automatic emergency braking system can monitor and distinguish the leading car by laser radar, then warns and brakes automatically. The lane departure warning system will warn the driver about an unintentional departure of lane. The blind spot detection system can eliminate blind spot at maximum, preventing accidents due to blind area of back mirror while changing lanes. Refine S7 has an intelligent car networking, providing 4G network. Furthermore, CarLife smartphone interconnection system provides phone images, trendy radio music, real-time updating Baidu map, surrounding cuisine searching, travel service, internet information, etc. The voice control system provides the control of navigation, telephone, air conditioner, meter, cloud service, etc. For its complete successful development process, Refine S7 has passed through road reliable tests of 2.4 million kilometers, as well as successfully passed 651 tests in 43 categories, including extreme environment tests, high temperature, high humidity, plateau and mountain, bump test, wind tunnel test, and enhanced corrosion test. For a better safety, Refine S7 is not only equipped with many intelligent active safety configuration systems, but also with an internal invisible safe structure. The proportion of the high-strength steel used in the whole structure of S7 is 74%, which is far behind the industrial average level of 50% to meet the highest safety crash test standards. It's also perfect on comfortable capability, especially on NVH. This offers a quiet and comfortable driving space for you. Besides this, S7 is equipped with Harman Infinity audio system, which includes 9 high-quality loudspeakers and 1 subwoofer. You can be the audience of a luxury on-road theater when you sit inside. In a sense, vehicle is out of balance, especially the balance of power and fuel consumption. Refine S7 found the best solution for different customers. 1.5 TGDI engine, known as the best fuel consumption and strong power, integrates 3 mainstream top techniques: GDI, turbocharging and DVVT. It drives great for a low speed, large torque, horsepower, up to 128 horsepower, peak torque with 251 Nm, and the oil consumption is just 8.5 liters per 100 km. 2-liter turbo plus engine, known as the strongest power and low fuel consumption, integrates core technology such as turbocharged technology, high efficient oil, and gas separation system. Power up to 100 horsepower. Peak torque is 300 Nm. From 0 to 100, it accelerates in 9.8 seconds. About the transmission, Refine S7 provides 6 DCT automatic and 6-speed in manual, especially the Platinum transmission system. 1.5 TGDI plus 6 DCT. Efficiency reaches 94%, so in total it can save oil about 20%.
它很大，
它
很睿智，
它很有内涵，
它很有力量。
它很棒。